giving you an update on Wish. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing the company Wish and giving you guys an update on price action for this week and price action for next week, what we can expect to happen. Okay, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there at InvestingOG. We give out a bunch of information up there, upgrades, downgrades, all kinds of sorts of stuff that can help you out in your trading. Okay, and if you find any of this information informative, please do us a big favor, hit that like button so that way this video can get around to more people and they can get a chance to, you know, view this information, and hopefully it's helpful to you guys. But with that, guys, I wanted to get into Wish. We had a great week this week. I've been loading up. I will continue to load up. Something real important that I came across from one of our subscribers, and that's why we put this channel together, to give you guys information. I'm just one person, I can't get all the information, but if we as a group or as a team get together and share information, that helps the whole our whole team up. So I found out this week from one of our subscribers, actually two of our subscribers, because it was two different things. One of them was Peter Thiel. For all those people that keep saying Wish is trash, Wish is garbage, Wish is going to $5, Wish is never going to go to 20, never go to 40. Peter Thiel is a big investor in the company Wish. Now, for those of you guys that don't know who Peter Thiel is also a huge investor. He's one of the first investors in PayPal, one of the first investors in Facebook, a big investor in Palantir, and a lot of different companies that he's came about. So Peter Thiel is a very, very smart person. I don't think he's going to take his capital or take his funds capital and invest it into a company that is going nowhere. Okay, guys? And the second subscriber that shot us some information on here as well was a subscriber to our channel, and he mentioned that JD, the company JD, the Chinese company JD, is also invested. I'm going to read you this off. China's JD.com invested around $50 million in shopping startup Wish. The investment is believed to be the company's first in a US e-commerce startup, guys. This was back in 2015, 2016. So it's been a little while, but they invested $50 million back then, guys. So what does that tell you? If you have these big funds, if you have people with a lot of cash, more people that know where to invest into, and they chose Wish as one of the companies, what is that telling you guys? It's telling me that Wish might just end up being something good. Okay, I think it is going to be that. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just information I'd like to share with you and give you so you can be more informed on your decision making and what you're planning to do. With that, guys, let me get into this video, and let me also tell you, we're going to run through information that we already ran through before, but that's just to bring you up to date. So if you haven't seen the other videos on Wish, make sure you watch those. They're in our videos. Just click on them, check them out, and then we go through different stuff. But right now I'm going to give you a little bit of price action of last week and of this week and what's going to happen for next week coming up, okay? Or what I think might happen, might trigger, okay? Look at the same chart that we've been looking at, and I'm just going to expand it for you. And if you follow us on Twitter, I mentioned that the $11 support was a big support, guys, was a big support. And Wish did really good at holding that support. Although it did go below, it pretty much closed every day right around that $11 mark. Okay, so it's held that support well. We're going to continue to watch this support, because if this support breaks, we mentioned before that then it can drop down to $10 and it can continue dropping all the way down to $8. I highly doubt that Wish will go under $10. I just think there's a lot of interest in this company right now. There's a lot of people that are interested. There's a lot of people that are investing their money in this company. I think it's going to give us a great return in the future. So it's a great opportunity. As for me, where I stand right now, I'm currently holding 8,500 shares. Now, I said I will hold 8,500 shares and I will build my position all the way to 10,000 shares. That's my goal. Now, if Wish were to break the $10 support level, then I would be interested in doubling my position to 20,000 shares, guys, because by that point, my current price, my current average is roughly $12.50. By that point, if it goes below $10, then I'll be still up, so I would want to reduce that. I would look to double my position anywhere under $10, specifically targeting the low $9 range. If it were to drop under $10, as for now, I'm holding 8,500 shares distributed between a couple of different accounts. I will continue to add, guys, until I get to that $10 mark. I'm not going to let go of this stock. I think we have a great opportunity, and I think next week, because we held this $11 support here and went up a little bit and we closed above the $11 support, I think next week might be interesting. Also seeing here on the 6-month chart, seeing RSI starting to head up. You got this MACD that is getting ready to cross. Also on the daily, if we go to the daily chart, we got this RSI ready to head it up, and we got this MACD ready to cross as well, okay? So this might be bullish right here. If we stay up here and stay up above the 11 and continue to close higher and higher, then for next week, I would say that the same areas that we mentioned as supports, specifically here in the $12, remember we started dropping right around the $13 area, we went to 12, we called 12 as a support, 11.90 somewhere around there, and then we called 11 as a support, 10.90 somewhere around there. So these same supports that we fell through are going to end up being our resistance. So if we close above this $11 mark here, we can look to 12 as a next resistance, guys, right here. If we cross 12, then the same thing goes for the next resistance right around 13. And if we go past 13, then we're gonna go pretty fast up to $15, guys. And $15 has been the resistance that we've struggled with. As you can tell here, about 628 about a week ago, and you can tell back here as well, right around here. You see this right here? Okay, so these two resistance levels are going to be levels that we're going to keep on our watch to make sure that this stock can continue to break these levels. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to repeat it one more time. Right now we're sitting above the 11. Next stop 12, and then next stop 13. If we were to break the 11, then I could see a downturn in this stock. Okay, and then 10 would be our next support. With that, guys, I just wanted to make it short and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.